Hello, welcome to Catrix. Today we will make a simple Solidworks tutorial about simulation. Let's see. I will draw part by selecting sketch and choose plane. I will add some dimensions. Let's make it 3 millimeters, 15, 3 millimeters, sorry, 30. And this will be 40, for example. Let's add some curves about 3 millimeter also. Extrude features, extrude, make extrude about 40, anything, just add some fillets, 3 also. Let's make simulation about this. First I will go to Solidworks add-in, then I will go to the Solidworks simulation. Simulation, new study. I will choose static. Okay, let's start. First, I need to apply material of this part. I will choose plain carbon steel. Okay, I will choose fixture. I will fix the geometry from here. Okay, external loads, force. Let's make it here about 100 Newton, for example. Okay, I applied force and it will be fixed from here. I'll create mesh. Okay, and it will make mesh for the part. I can click here and run our simulation. Okay, as we see here, it gives us 0.7 millimeter, and here is stresses. You can click here and define factor of safety. Okay, it's safe. It's animation about what will happen. That's it. Simple example for simulation. Please like the video if you like it, and subscribe the channel.